everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Space. Do you want to travel the world but feel nervous about speaking English? Don't worry. Today we will help you. By the end of this episode, you will know the most useful English words and phrases for travel.
Today, we'll explore English words for travel. Traveling is fun, but it can also be stressful when you don't know the right words. We're here to make it simple and enjoyable.
When people travel, they often need English, even if they go to countries where English is not the main language. Why? Because English is the global language for travel, airports, hotels, and restaurants. So learning these words will really help you.
That's right. Think about your last trip or a trip you want to take. What words did you need? Probably things like airport, ticket, passport, hotel, reservation, bus, train, and map. These are basic travel words. Today, we'll practice them in real conversations so you can feel ready.
Let's start with airport vocabulary. When you travel by plane, the airport is the first place where you need English. Some important words are passport, the little book you need to show your identity. Ticket, your paper or digital proof that you can fly. Boarding pass, the card that tells you your seat and gate. Gate, the area where you wait to get on the plane. Security check, where they look at your bags.
Imagine you are at the airport and you need to check in. You might hear, "May I see your passport?" Or, "Where is your destination?" You should be able to answer with simple sentences like, "Here is my passport," or, "I'm flying to London."
Yes, and don't forget polite words like please and thank you. They make every situation easier.
Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight.
Sure. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. All right, your bag is checked in. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12 and boarding will start at 9:30.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks.
That conversation shows the typical words you need. Check-in, boarding pass, gate, and so on. Notice how short the answers can be. You don't need long sentences, just clear words.
Exactly. And after the airport, the next step in travel is usually the hotel. Let's practice hotel vocabulary. Reservation, a booking you made before. Reception, or front desk, the main place where you check in. Room key, the card or key to open your room. Single room or double room, different types of rooms. Breakfast included means food in the morning is free.
When you arrive at a hotel, you might say, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name Anna Smith." Or if you don't have a reservation, you can ask, "Do you have any rooms available tonight?"
Hello, I have a reservation for 2 nights.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's James Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Let me check. Yes, we have your reservation for a double room. Do you have your passport?
Sure, here it is.
Perfect. Here is your room key. Your room is on the third floor, number 305. Breakfast is included and is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
That's great. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
See how useful those words are? With just a few simple phrases, you can check in smoothly.
Another important part of travel is transportation. You need to know how to talk about buses, trains, or taxis. Here are some helpful words: ticket office, where you buy tickets; platform, the place where you wait for the train; schedule, the timetable for buses and trains; fare, the price of your ticket; one-way ticket, you go to a place but not back; return ticket, you go and come back.
A very common question is, how much is a ticket to? Or, what time is the next train?
Excuse me, I'd like to buy a ticket to Paris. Sure. Do you want a one-way ticket or a return ticket? A return ticket, please. Okay. The next train leaves at 10:15 from platform 4.
Great. How much is the ticket? It's 50 euros. Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your ticket.
Thank you very much. Which direction is platform 4?
Just go straight ahead and then turn left. You'll see the signs.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
That's exactly the kind of short, practical conversation you'll have in real life. And now let's move to one more important part of travel: restaurants and food.
Yes, eating in a new country is exciting, but it's also important to know how to order food in English. Useful words are menu, the list of food and drinks; waiter, waitress, the person who serves you; bill or check, the paper that shows what you need to pay; reservation, booking a table; starter, main course, dessert, different parts of a meal.
Let's try a restaurant conversation.
Good evening. Do you have a table for one, please?
Good evening. Yes, of course. Please follow me. I'll show you to your table.
Thank you very much. This table looks perfect. May I have the menu?
Certainly. Here you are. Today's special is grilled chicken with rice and vegetables. It's very popular.
That sounds delicious. I think I'll order the special.
Excellent choice. Would you like any drinks with your meal?
Yes, just a glass of water, please.
Still water or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Perfect. Would you like to try any starter or dessert today?
Not for now, thank you. I just want the main dish.
All right. I'll bring your order soon. Please enjoy your time.
Thank you.
See how simple that is? With just a few words, menu, special, water, pasta, you can enjoy a meal in another country.
Exactly. And remember, you don't need to speak perfect English. People understand if you try. The key is to stay calm, use short phrases, and smile.
Let's review quickly. Today we learned words for the airport, hotel, transportation, and restaurants. We also practiced 4 conversations. That's a good set of tools for your next trip.
Yes, but let's go deeper. Travel English is not only about single words, it's also about phrases. For example, where is the nearest bus stop? Can I pay by credit card? How long does it take to get there? I would like a window seat, please.
These phrases help you in many different situations.
Wow, what a journey we had today. We started at the airport, then moved to the hotel, traveled by train, and finally enjoyed a meal at a restaurant. Along the way, we learned many useful English words and phrases for travel. These are the building blocks that will help you feel more confident whenever you take a trip.
Yes, and remember, you don't need to be perfect. Even simple sentences like, "Where is my gate?" or "I have a reservation" can make a big difference. The key is to practice these words often so they feel natural. The more you use them, the easier travel will become.
We also practiced 4 conversations. Each one gave you real examples of how English is used in daily travel situations. Try listening again and repeating the sentences out loud. Repetition is one of the best ways to improve.
Another tip is to use these words in your everyday life, even if you are not traveling right now. For example, pretend your kitchen is a restaurant and practice ordering food. Or imagine your living room is an airport gate and practice asking questions. Make learning fun and creative.
That's such a great idea. And if you do travel soon, remember to smile, be polite, and stay calm. English for travel is about communication, not perfection. People will appreciate your effort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you feel more ready for your next adventure.
This is Anna.
And this is Billy.
And
And we'll see you next time here on Simple English Space.